This is one of my favorite songs. And if this song doesn't make you want to drink a bottle of Jack Daniels, hit it over your head, and then jump off a bridge, I don't know what will.
But don't really do that.
Hey, that's all right. Spend it.
Without any warning, I took me a look at myself. I see how this